Okay, I have a snoring cat, and I'm going to show you her. I hope you can hear her. I don't know if you can, but I can hear her. So let me turn it. Hold on. She's snoring. I hope you guys can hear her. I'm going to mess with her a little bit. She looks across her paws. She likes to touch her ear too. Izzy!